So, I don't know if you can see, but I put this tarp up here because what I had to do was I put these hinges and I ended up putting them inside this plywood here, a sheet of plywood. So I had to totally dismantle this whole thing and then cut another piece for this. And then I came in here. I'll show you the inside so you can see what I'm doing. So I've got the screen up here, see, it goes all the way around, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that here on this side, okay. And then those are going to be the nest box right there, okay. And I'm cutting them out. As you see, I'm trying to cut them out and get them to fit right. And you can see I got some more of this screening material. And that's going to go in the front. And this is the front of it. And then I'm going to put more of that screening up here on the front. Maybe. I might not. I haven't decided yet. And as you can see, I do have a little bit of light right there in that little corner right there. See where that wood comes together? So I'm going to have to get some caulking there and there. You see that light coming through? We don't want that. So we're going to have to figure out some way to cover that up. I haven't figured that out yet, but we will figure that out. And yeah, so I got these little dowels here, and I think they're too short. See, they don't go all the way across. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure out. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna figure out even if I have to build like a rack in here inside and just set it in the middle of the floor. I might do that too. So I think this is plenty big enough for 4 chickens or 6 chickens. I mean, I think it'd be plenty big enough. Yeah. And we steady working on it. So I'm shutting it down for the night. So that's what I've been doing since I got off work tonight. As you can see, it's dark out. I can see almost, I wish I could see the stars, but it's all cloudy, so, because it's supposed to rain. So, I don't know why it keeps going out of focus. What is it? I don't know why it keeps doing that. So, I've got the tarp there. See, the nail doesn't come out. So, we got to nail that again. But, yeah. So, tell me what you think. Now I got this 2x4 sitting on top of this nest box because what I noticed was this piece of plywood was trying to warp. So I want to keep it straight until, you know, I'm done building the frame underneath for it and everything. You know, this was a cheap plywood, so it's like trying to warp on me everywhere, even on the door here. So we're trying to use pressure to try and straighten it out, you know. And hopefully that'll work. Otherwise I'll just have to dismantle the doors and flip them or something. I haven't figured out what. But see, I put this little lock here so it's got a latch, and I put a lock through it. And I was going to do that on the nest box, but for some reason the latch that I got doesn't work that way. I don't know. It's probably me. I've had so much problems with these hinges. It's probably me. Anyway, that's what we got going on so far. And as you can see, I did put a plywood up on the roof, but that is not the actual roof. That is just insulation plywood. The actual roof, I've got metal sheeting I'm going to put up there. So, let me know what y'all think. Alright, we'll talk at y'all later. Bicycle.